MotorWeek is made possible by RockAuto.com.
We've seen many attempts to make the minivan cool over the years, and this 2022 Kia Carnival may be the first to actually pull it off. While the basic minivan big box shape remains, the tall body sides and chopped greenhouse give it an almost Ford Flex-like pseudo-SUV vibe. Oh, and don't call it a minivan, it's an MPV, multi-purpose vehicle. Of course, just like a minivan, an MPV needs to pair those looks with the connectivity and flexibility that today's on-the-go families demand. 8-passenger versions feature slide flex seating, with the ability to either slide the second-row middle seat forward for easy access to a car seat, or fold it into a table. 7-passenger versions can get VIP lounge seating, essentially onboard lazy boys.
Remember the late 1980s Mazda MPV? It was their attempt to deflect the minivan stigma too. But why? Minivans are the most useful vehicles on the planet, and the new Kia Carnival MPV is chock full of big screen entertainment technology, lounging comfort, cargo flexibility, and advanced safety that families need. So don't apologize for it, celebrate it.
Standard engine is a 3.5-liter V6, delivering a class-best 290 horsepower. For help in keeping the kiddos safe, 12 advanced driver assistance systems are standard, and Kia's blind spot view monitor is available.
To me, you just can't beat a minivan if you need space and versatility for at least 4 people. But it's the style and the stigma that comes with minivans which turns most people off. Kia knows this, obviously, and while I think most people will see right through the multi-purpose vehicle moniker, I do think the SUV-like styling will attract some families to the Carnival, although the lack of an all-wheel drive system could be a deal breaker.
This party on wheels will replace the current Sedona when it arrives in Kia showrooms this summer. Tell the kids we're not quite there yet, but we'll have much more info on the 2022 Kia Carnival soon, right here on MotorWeek.